Hey everyone, welcome back to MTechZudo, where we make technology simple, clear, and powerful. We have already learned how routers, switches, and IP addresses help devices connect and communicate. But there's one crucial piece that keeps all of it safe: the firewall. So, today, let's understand what a firewall really is, how it works, and why it's your first line of defense in the world of networking and cybersecurity. What is firewall? A firewall is a security device, either hardware, software, or both, that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. In simple words, it's like a security guard standing at the gate of your network, deciding which data packets can enter or leave and which does should be blocked. Just like guards at an office check ID cards before letting people in, a firewall checks data packets before allowing them into your system. If something looks suspicious, it's blocked right away. Now, why we need firewalls? The internet isn't always a safe place. There are viruses, hackers, and malware constantly trying to break into networks. Without a firewall, your system should be open to anyone, like leaving your house door unlocked. A firewall helps by filtering unwanted traffic, blocking malicious access, protecting sensitive information, preventing attacks like malware and unauthorized connections. It's basically your digital shield against cyber threats. How a firewall bug. Let's see how it actually works step by step. Whenever data enters or leaves your network, it's broken into packets. Each packet contains source and destination information, like who sent it and where it's gone. The firewall checks every packet against a set of rules. These are predefined filters like block traffic from suspicious IPs, allow only web traffic HTTP, HTTPS, deny access to specific ports. If the packet meets the rules, it's allowed in. If not, it's dropped or rejected. This process is called packet filtering, and it's the most basic yet powerful part of firewall security. Now, the types of firewalls. There are several types of firewalls, each with different levels of intelligence and protection. Let's go through the most common ones. First, packet filtering firewall. The simplest form works at the network layer 3 of the OSI model, checks IP addresses, ports, and protocols fast but not very deep in inspection. Now, second, stateful inspection firewall. More advanced, keeps track of connections and session status, knows whether a packet is part of an existing legitimate session, commonly used in modern networks. Now third, proxy firewall, application layer firewall. Works at the application layer 7, acts as a middleman between users and the internet, can inspect the actual content of web traffic like URLs and requests. Excellent for web and corporate environments. Now fourth, next generation firewall. The smartest one combines all the above with intrusion detection, deep packet inspection, and threat intelligence, used in enterprises and data centers for full-scale protection. Now, hardware versus software firewalls. Firewalls come in two main forms: hardware firewall and software firewall. Hardware firewalls, physical devices installed between your network and the internet, like on routers or dedicated appliances. Software firewalls, installed on individual devices like PCs or servers. In most setups, both are used together for layered protection. A hardware firewall defends the entire network, while software firewalls protect individual devices. Now, the real world analogies. Think of a firewall like airport security. Every passenger data packet passes through a checkpoint. Their ID and baggage, IP and port info are scanned. If they are on the safe list, they pass through. If something looks suspicious, they are stopped immediately. The goal: keep legitimate traffic moving smoothly while blocking threats before they enter the network. What is this? In today's connected world, where every home, office, or phone is online, firewalls are no longer optional. They protect you from hacking trying to access your data, malware infections, unauthorized access to internal systems. Even your home Wi-Fi router likely has a built-in firewall, quietly keeping your network safe every second. And that's the firewall is. Your digital gatekeeper, silently guarding your devices and data every time you go online. And now that you know how it works, you will never take that tiny router security setting for granted again. If this video helped you understand firewall clearly, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep learning networking and cybersecurity with MTechZudo. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring and keep growing.